Hi, I am Diana Elizabeth Espinal Jaramillo. My last vacation, La Sierra Puerto Nare. On my last vacation, I visited my friends at La Sierra Puerto Nare, population on the banks of the Magdalena River, region recognized for its fishing activity and major source of work, the company Argos. I am visited to Ansal Place, taking a walk on the Magdalena and Nare rivers. We crossed the Riley Drive, Portobello, and enjoyed the La Zona waterfall. The fish, in all its presentation, is exquisite flavor, and the roads meet to the qual artists to the lake. Nothing better than enjoying the warming waters of the Nare River and waiting able to observe how it interacts with the imposition Magdalena River, and much better to watch the sunset or source from the river what the surface tag flick. Thank you very much. Bye.